It's tough to bring your story to life with just text, right? But what if I told you that with a single prompt, you can turn boring text into a mind-blowing AI animated video in literally minutes? Meet VideoExpress, the game changer every creator's been waiting for. Imagine typing out your thoughts, anything from a heartfelt message to a wild story idea. And just like that, VideoExpress transforms your words into captivating AI animated videos. No design skills needed, no more staring at timelines for hours, just pure creativity unleashed. Got an old photo you love? Snap it in and watch VideoExpress bring it to life. Your image transforms into a dynamic animated video clip. Want to go next level? Upload a photo and let it, or even with perfect lip sync in any language you choose. Seriously, you'll be amazed at how real it looks. But wait, it gets better. If you're building a series, an educational course, or even a brand mascot, VideoExpress makes sure your AI character stays consistent across every video. No more juggling styles or worrying about continuity. And when it's time to give your creation a voice, take your pick from hundreds of AI voices, each designed to sound natural and engaging. Or let AI generate the perfect sound effects for your scenes, simply by describing what you want. Running low on inspiration? The AI video prompt writer jumps in to spark new ideas, and with the built-in timeline editor, you can stitch together multiple clips, creating longer videos with ease. Want to grab your audience's attention? Add subtitles or captions in eye-catching styles in seconds. You can even record your own screen or voice, and seamlessly blend your personal touch into any AI animated video. And the cherry on top? Effortlessly add slick text effects, smooth transitions, and playful animations that would take hours in traditional editors. All these features, packed into one simple platform. No more monthly or yearly fees ever, just a one-time price. If you're ready to turn your ideas into unforgettable animated videos, hit the link below and grab VideoExpress while it's still at this low price.